Blood sugar problems rarely appear overnight. In most cases, they develop slowly and quietly, often years before a diagnosis is ever made. What makes this tricky is that many early signs are subtle. They're easy to dismiss as just getting older or normal tiredness. Today, we're going to walk through some early signs that blood sugar may be rising, signs many people overlook, not to create worry, but to build awareness. Here are 7 early signs your blood sugar may be rising. Sign number 1, feeling unusually tired after meals. One early pattern researchers have consistently observed is feeling unusually tired shortly after eating, especially after meals higher in carbohydrates, like bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, or sweets. Studies looking at blood sugar responses after meals show that when blood sugar rises quickly and then falls too fast, people often experience a drop in energy. Researchers sometimes call this a post-meal blood sugar dip, and it's been linked to feelings of fatigue, sleepiness, and difficulty concentrating. Here's what's happening. After a carb-heavy meal, blood sugar goes up. The body releases insulin to bring it back down. But as we age, that process doesn't always work as smoothly. Blood sugar can overshoot, going too high, then dropping too low, and energy levels can fall right along with it. This kind of tiredness feels different from normal afternoon fatigue. It often shows up within an hour or two after eating and feels heavier, more like sluggishness, brain fog, or a strong need to sit or lie down. Research has shown that people who experience these post-meal energy crashes more often are also more likely to have impaired blood sugar control, even before diabetes is diagnosed. Feeling tired after a meal once in a while is normal, but if this happens regularly, especially after similar foods, it may be an early sign that blood sugar isn't being handled as smoothly as it used to be. Simply noticing the pattern, how you feel after eating, and which foods trigger it, can be an important first step toward better blood sugar awareness. Next on our list is sign number 2, increased thirst or a dry mouth, feeling thirsty more often than usual, especially without clear reasons like heat, exercise, or salty food, can be another early clue. Research on blood sugar regulation has shown that when glucose levels rise, the body tries to protect itself by pulling water out of tissues to dilute the excess sugar. This process increases urine output and triggers thirst, which is why dry mouth and frequent thirst are commonly reported early symptoms in people with rising blood sugar. Large clinical studies, including those referenced by diabetes research groups, have consistently linked persistent thirst with elevated blood sugar levels, even before diabetes is formally diagnosed. Many people notice they're drinking more water than usual, waking up with a dry mouth, or feeling thirsty shortly after drinking. Some also notice dry lips or a coated tongue. Sign number 3, more frequent urination, especially at night. Along with increased thirst often comes more frequent trips to the bathroom, particularly during the night. Research on blood sugar and kidney function shows that when blood sugar levels rise, the kidneys work harder to filter and remove excess glucose from the bloodstream. To do this, the body pulls extra water into the urine, which increases how often a person needs to urinate. Many people notice they're waking up more often at night to use the bathroom, even when they haven't changed how much they drink in the evening. This can interrupt sleep and leave them feeling more tired during the day. Waking up once in a while is very common, especially as we get older. But waking up repeatedly, night after night, without clear reasons like increased fluid intake or new medications, is something worth paying attention to. It can be an early sign that blood sugar levels are running higher than normal. Moving on to our list, sign number 4, blurred vision that comes and goes. Changes in blood sugar can affect the fluid balance inside the eyes, which can temporarily alter how clearly you see. Research in diabetes and eye health has shown that when blood sugar levels rise and fall, fluid can shift in and out of the lens of the eye. This can change its shape slightly, leading to blurred or fluctuating vision. When blood sugar stabilizes, vision may improve again. This is why some people notice their eyesight seems blurry at certain times of the day, then clearer later on. It may come and go, rather than staying constant. Importantly, this doesn't always mean permanent eye damage. But vision that fluctuates, especially alongside other changes like thirst or fatigue, can be an early signal that blood sugar levels aren't staying within a healthy range. Many people assume this is just eye strain, tired eyes, or normal aging. While those can play a role, blood sugar changes are another possible factor worth keeping in mind. Sign number 5. Slow healing of cuts or bruises. If small cuts, scrapes, or bruises seem to take longer to heal than they used to, blood sugar may be part of the picture. Research on blood sugar and wound healing shows that elevated glucose levels can interfere with circulation, immune response, and tissue repair. When blood sugar runs high, blood vessels may not deliver oxygen and nutrients to the skin as efficiently, and the body's repair processes can slow down. Many people notice that minor injuries, like a small cut, a nick while shaving, or a bruise, linger longer than expected. They may heal eventually, but the process feels slower than it once was. This doesn't happen overnight, and it doesn't mean something is seriously wrong right away. But gradual changes in healing speed, especially when combined with other signs like fatigue or thirst, are worth paying attention to. They can be another early signal that blood sugar levels may not be as well controlled as before. Sign number 6, tingling or numbness in hands or feet. Mild tingling, numbness, or a pins and needles sensation, especially in the feet, can be an early sign that blood sugar is beginning to affect nerve health. Research on diabetic neuropathy shows that elevated blood sugar over time can irritate and damage small nerves, particularly in the hands and feet. Early on, this damage is often subtle. Sensations may come and go, appear only at night, or feel mild enough to ignore. Many people describe feelings like slight numbness, burning, tingling, or reduced sensitivity, such as not feeling hot or cold as clearly as before. Because these sensations aren't constant at first, they're often brushed off as circulation issues, aging, or simply sleeping wrong. Early awareness matters because nerve changes tend to progress slowly. Noticing these early sensations can prompt better monitoring and conversations with a healthcare provider before nerve damage becomes more difficult to manage. Sign number 7, weight changes around the midsection. Some people notice weight slowly creeping up around the abdomen, even when they haven't changed how much they eat or how active they are. Research on blood sugar and metabolism shows that when the body becomes less efficient at handling glucose, insulin levels tend to stay higher for longer periods. Insulin's job is to move sugar into cells, but it also signals the body to store energy, especially as fat. Over time, this can encourage fat storage around the midsection. This type of weight change often feels confusing or frustrating because it doesn't always respond to the same habits that worked in the past. Many people assume it's simply a part of aging, but blood sugar regulation can play a meaningful role. This isn't about appearance or body size, it's about what's happening metabolically inside the body. Changes around the waist can be an early sign that blood sugar and insulin balance may be shifting, even before other symptoms become obvious. And there you have it, 7 early signs. Your blood sugar may be rising. Having one or even several of these signs does not mean someone has diabetes. These are signals, not diagnoses. They're reminders to pay attention, review habits, and, when appropriate, have conversations with a healthcare provider. Blood sugar problems are often easier to manage when caught early. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss future videos like this. If you'd like to support the channel further, you're welcome to check out our merchandise below. It helps us keep creating videos like this. And if this video brought value to you, you can also send a super thanks. Every bit of support helps. Thanks for watching and take care of yourself. See you in the next video.